500 feet per second is legal in Canada, even up to a .22 caliber. So it was like, but the thing is, you have to buy a modified magazine, which is still illegal, this magazine, to get this. So it's only a one-shot. So it's not like someone can run around and do. See, that's the thing in the United States. Anybody can go buy those assault rifles that have like extended magazines, and people can be able to like shoot .223 caliber, like as many as they want. And then there was kids going around and they were shooting like literally like 50 round drums and stuff at people, and it still goes on down there. So this is the best legal one. If you don't have your PAL, your PAL, your best legal .22 that isn't too big, because a lot of the .22s are really big, right? Let me see how I open it. I just wanted something nice and discreet. Where's our recycle?
It doesn't go in recycle. They don't make cardboard.
They don't?
Break it apart.
Put it in the
Break
box?
it up and put it in the garbage.
So you want to go grocery shopping now there?
No.
Heineken last night. I don't know. What the hell? Might be a little bit bigger than I expected it to be. So that might be a little bit bigger than I expected it to be. Let me see. Stacks Miller here. Today I'm unboxing the Diana Chaser 22 Airgun. A little bit bigger in the box than expected. I also got the Diablo heavyweight 22 caliber pellets. So those will be nice. Oh, sorry, Exact Jumbo Monster Diablo heavyweight 25 grain. These are the highest grain pellets you can get in the world that they manufacture, so they're really heavy. They're filled all with lead, and an animal doesn't want to be hit with one of those. Anything doesn't want to be hit with one of those. So let's see here. Looks pretty easy to open here. Just gonna pull this little tab, cardboard tab it looks like. And it looks like, if you let her go down here, oop, it'll just open up like that. And it looks like it comes with a bag to keep everything in. Get this. Take the bag out. Take the bag out. Okay, go ahead and throw the box away for a minute. Oh, so that's pretty nice. It comes with a carrying case, so you can put everything there. See, this right here is an area, I guess, designed where you can store your pellets on the go. It's got an instruction booklet here. I got the pistol, not the rifle. But basically, to me, it's almost like a sort of a mini rifle. As you can see here. Very nice weight to it. Good size. 22 caliber, as you can see. Single shot, but for $40, you can buy an additional rotary magazine that goes up here to hold 7 shots. So you can have 7 shots, 22. Right here, I believe you can store an extra CO2, and then that up here is where you actually load your CO2 cartridge for use, and then you can store an additional one there. Looks like most of the internal components are metal. Trigger looks metal. It is, yeah, trigger's nice and metal, and as well as all the mechanical functions. The grip is really nice. It's not a cheap plastic. It's almost like sort of like a polymer, or it's a very high quality plastic. Something you would see on traditional firearm grips. And that's from the handle all the way up to near the barrel, and then the mechanisms there. Okay. As you can see, I believe that's how you would load your pellet. You're going to pull up this small bar here, and I've seen in other reviews you want to be very delicate with that. You don't want to rip it too hard or anything, because it can snap. It's not too strong, but it is a strong piece of metal, but you want to be delicate with it. And then it looks like you're going to load your pellet there, and then once you load your pellet, you're able to put it back. And when the CO2 is charged, you're able to shoot. You got your sights here, really nice sights on the back. I plan on eventually getting a nice scope. There's a nice railing here that you can add additional accessories. Here you can you have sort of a hole to see if you have a CO2. As you can see, there's no CO2 in there. You would be able to see it. But other than that, for the price, For the price, it's a really good deal. As you can see, this part of the muzzle screws off. You can add additional accessories. Yeah, it looks like it has an 11mm rail, so you can add an expensive scope or laser dot sights or anything like that, or laser actual dot or anything on there. Pretty nice for 100 and I believe it was 170, maybe 120. Can't remember, but it's a good one. Good one. 22 Airgun pellet. Let's open up the pellets and check those out. Let's check the pellets out. See what we're working with these. I've never seen these, but I did some research on them when I ordered. As you can see, the pellets are carefully protected by this styrofoam. They're not too big. They're a fair size. It looks like they are solid in the front. They're almost like little mini bullets, but they're pellets. We're going to take a look at these pellets here. It's the first time I've ever seen these pellets. I've never actually seen a 22 pellet in person, but I've done my research on these. I've always wanted a 22 pellet gun, so as you can see, it has a nice little styrofoam thing here, and here are the 22 pellets. Right now the gun is a single load, so I can only do single shot, one pellet at a time. Like I said, you can buy a additional Diana Storm Chaser, Storm Rider Chaser rotary magazine that'll hold up to 7 pellets. And you can look up other videos where people are shooting that. I'm going to eventually get that, I think. But as you can see, the pellet's solid in the inside there. 22 caliber. They're fairly heavy, 25 grain, so they're really heavy pellets, so they should have stopping power. As you can see, the gun will easily slip right back into the... I'm going to actually hold on to this case here. Very nice case. You got your documentation. Nice little zipper up here to store all your hunting gear and your different thing. I'm going to keep the little documentation actually right there. Read up on it a little bit more, even though I've done a great amount of research on it. What are these? Looks like we got some O-rings, additional O-rings. Maybe that is for right where you load the pellet in, I'm guessing. Looks like you got enough space right here to store maybe 3 or 4 different types of pellets. Like I said, it goes right in there. You got some additional space here to put some things. Really nice carrying case that comes with it here. So that's what I'll be storing it in. Very nice. I'd recommend this one for air gun that you don't need your PAL for. That's going to have no problem hunting and things of that nature. Fairly happy with my air gun from Airgun Source, I believe, .com. Shout out to all the other Airgun YouTube channels. They made me make my decision on this one. I want to get some other ones. I like that Sig Sauer MPX MCX. It's 1.77. Working on getting my PAL. I want to eventually get working on getting my PAL actually. So that'll be nice, being able to finally move back up to the traditional firearms. But for now, 22 caliber Diana Chaser. Check it out. Go check it out if you can. Maybe I'll do some shooting videos eventually, but here's the review, a little review unboxing. I'll do a full review whenever we do shoot it or whatever, but nice little carrying case with the styrofoam, everything. Diana Chaser.